Hello friends, welcome back. So in the last video, we added a slider here to move, right? The two blocks here, two squares like that. So cool, right? They moved in sync, right? So like whatever covered by the top um, square, left and right, and then that will be covered by the right square up and down. Okay, but something is missing here, right? The wheel looks like that, right? Static. It's not fun. Let's try to add some animation for the wheel today. Okay, so we'll do some investigation first. Let's draw an arc here. Okay, in in empty location. So to draw an arc like for example a quarter of the circle. Okay, so that's easy. We can do something like that. An arc equals UIBE, but the path. Okay, this guy is for drawing arc. Okay, arc center and opening parenthesis x. Let's put it here, so it might be 200 and 400. Okay, so 200 and 400 y radius. Let's make it not too small, not too big. Okay, 60. Start angle 0, easy. End angle half pi, so it's half pi, 90 degree, right? CG float, CG float dot pi. Yeah, this is just a number, a constant provided by the by Xcode 3.14 something. Okay, clockwise, true, doesn't matter. So it means like the center will be here, and the arc start from the east to the east of the arc, right? Of the arc center, and going clockwise down to here like that. Okay, you'll see. Now we have that. Let's do ARC dot stroke, right? Run it. Okay, it's here. If we can make it thicker if we like. No, okay. Now what if we right add the same amount of angle to the start angle and end angle, right? Like for example, we can let rotation CG float equals say 0.1 pi. Okay, rotation, we can add the rotation to both, right? Do you like this one? We can try that. If you like that, we can do this one, right? We introduced this before. Yeah, some people like this way, so we have all the parameters, right? Occupies a single line on its own. Okay, so start angle, we can add the rotation, right? Rotation here at the same amount of constant rotation. Now let's see. Yeah, it goes, right? It rotates, it turns by clockwise by 0.1 pi. This is about 90 degree. Oh, so is 90 degree divided by 5, so is nearly 20 degree, right? 20 degrees. Okay, now what if we make this constant thing, right, to a dynamic variable? You know, we are changing this guy, right, delta x. So what if we just put a changing thing here, delta x? So it means when we drag the slider, we change delta, right, delta x. So this way it means we can push the spinning arc. Let's see. Now the angle, right, the change of the angle of this arc is bundled with the slider. Let's see. Okay, you see, oh, it's spinning, right? Cool. Okay, so can we make it more interesting by drawing a sector like that, a sector? Okay, so let's rerun it. If we simply draw 2 lines here, right, draw 2 lines here, we have to use the coordinates of this point and that point, 3 points, right, 3 points, a line here and a line here. We know, right, when we rotate the arc, the coordinates of the arc center never changes, right, never change the coordinates of this point. But so what about this location or any location, right? Do we have to calculate, right, the coordinates of each ends, right, each end of the arc, like x and y? We need to use trigonometry, right? Yeah, to do that, or similar thing. But there is a simple way. To do that. Remember when we draw in one of our previous videos, if we draw a triangle, right, we can, yeah, think this is if we want to draw a triangle instead of a sector. So we draw for example, a straight lines. We moved our point, move our path, right, to here, move to point. Then we add the line to the next point. Then we add the line to the next point. Then we close it. Okay. Maybe this is a good idea. Now arc is here. This is a UI Bezier path. So we can try arc dot add line to our center point, right? Where is our center? This is our center. So just copy that and put it here. This way we never use any of the like coordinates of the arc ends, right? The arc's ends, yeah. So we just use the non-changed fixed arc center. Let's run it. So it means, you see, cool, right? We don't need to calculate the coordinates of any of the arc ends, right? Now, so if we want to keep going, add line to here, then we have to use the coordinates of that. Then it requires some calculation, maybe complicated. No, we only need to close, so the Xcode will do that for us. Okay, now arc.close, run it. We should have a sector like that, right? Cool, right? And we can fill it, right? So let's do, okay, close, yeah, here. We can set a color like green, right? So UI color dot green dot set fill, and we can do arc dot fill. Yes, yes, it's lovely, you see. Okay, with that done, right? With that done, we can put it onto this one, right? Okay, now, we can make use the result of our investigation function draw sector. Okay, like that. We don't need the format parameters, we don't need the return type, and we can cut this and put it here. Okay, so we just need to call draw sector. Yeah, now nothing is changed, right? Nothing is changed, so we just need to, yeah, make sure it still works. Okay, so now how can we put this one onto this location, right? Easy. We need to find out the center of the wheel. Where is it? Where is it? Here. This is the center, right? Copy. Yeah. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, put it here. Okay, so don't forget, we still use the center here. Now run it. Yeah, the only thing is it's too big. Okay, now what is the radius of that thing? Is 30. Copy 30. Go back to here. 30. Yeah, run it. You see? Whoa, the only thing is it's spinning crazy, like, right? Too fast. Let's handle that in our next video to make it more natural. Okay, don't yeah, don't move so fast, don't spin so fast. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.